Okay, we're doing the random for box 3. It's 11:30, 17 p.m. Melbourne time. Don't forget, spot 1 ends up with bonus hit. Setting up participants 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Michael Mizzy, congrats. Let's see if he's still awake. I forgot random live. Oh well. The video's here anyway. And the teams. We're going up, we're going again. We're going 12 times. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So who got the Pelicans? Pelicans went to Mr. Gallo. Grizz went to Nick Lean. Bulls, Lavaga. Lakers, Jamie Norman. Knicks, Steve Harrison. That's the teams. I need to put the thing up first. Random is complete. Teams are and that's it.